Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make setting lotion at home. If you're new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you can have instant access to our videos each time we upload them. Setting lotion can be made from the following materials. These are nitrosol, glycerin, propylene glycol, polyelectrolyte, vitamin E, perfume and color. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce 2 liters of setting lotion. Nitrosol 20 gram, glycerin 60 ml, propylene glycol 60 ml, polyelectrolyte a teaspoon, vitamin E 10 ml, perfume 5 ml and color a teaspoon. Now let me show you these materials one by one and then we go into the mixing properly. Now this is nitrosol and this is glycerin, this is propylene glycol and this is polyelectrolyte. This is vitamin E and this is the color we're going to use. The color mostly used for setting lotion is blue, and so blue color has appeared to be the generic color of setting lotion. This is perfume. Now measure about 1.5 liters of water into an empty bucket and dissolve the nitrosol in it. Add the nitrosol bit by bit and keep stirring until all the particles are properly dissolved. Now add your glycerin and propylene glycol to the solution. Now you can add your polyelectrolyte to it. When adding the polyelectrolyte, add it directly into the solution and add it gently so that it do not form lumps. Now you can add your vitamin E and perfume to the solution. Now dissolve your color and add to the solution. Blue color seems to be the generic color of certain lotion. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your setting lotion is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.